In this video, you will be shown the best way to proactively reach out to students before, during, and after the career fair. When you log into your Hire Aggies account, go to the career fairs page and find your event. Click on the registered button to access the event. When you get to the specific event page, you will see a tab for all RSVP'd students. Click on it. Here you can see all of the students that have RSVP'd for this event. With the search bar, you can search for a specific student by name. Below the search bar, there are accessibility tabs to aid you. You can quickly email all RSVP'd students by pressing Select All and then using the Mail button to either send a personalized message or invite to chat. Remember that when you select all, you are selecting every student that has RSVP'd for this event. Please use this function in order to contact relevant students rather than mass emailing all attendees. To the right of the Mail To button, there is a Save to Excel button. After pressing Select All, you can use this button to create a spreadsheet with all RSVP'd students' contact information. This is a great way to filter students based on your parameters and save contact information for after the career fair. To the right of the Save to Excel button, there is a Generate Publication button. When you select all and press this button, it will automatically generate all resumes of the selected students for you to have. The advanced search function is a better way for you to narrow your search by using a variety of filters. After clicking the advanced search button, you can use many filters to help find the right students for your company. You can search for specific majors, class levels, and degree levels. At the bottom of the page, there is an option for students that have expressed interest. This is a great tool for showing students that are interested in your company or industry. However, if you are a relatively new or small company that students are unfamiliar with, you may want to select No for this option to show a larger pool of students.